Debbie Allison, and this is Crazy Felix, and you're watching Polymer Clay Bardet. Hi everybody, I'm Debbie Allison with Deb & Company, and this is our little mascot kitty, Crazy Felix. Some of you are already following him on Twitter, and if you're not, you can follow him on Twitter as Crazy_Felix. And you can see he's dressed up for Easter and not too happy about it. Now what I'm going to do is show you some quick decorating tips utilizing some of our ornaments for Easter. I've already got a place setting here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a napkin, linen napkin here, and fan fold it like so. And you can see that it'll make a really nice decoration on your table. It's just something very simple to do. You fan fold it and then stick it through a napkin holder like so. And there you have it, a very nice, pretty table setting. Now what you can do is you can take some of our ornaments like so. I have this little ducky here, and what I've done is I've personalized this very simply by just taking taking the computer and using the font Tinker Toy and printing it on these clear labels. And then you can just very simply take it off and stick it on an ornament like so, and there very simply you have a personalized ornament or place card that you can utilize over and over. Now if you're shopping on our website, we will personalize these for you for free. But you can see you can just do several different things, and there you have a very nice table setting for Easter. Then I'm going to show you some other things you can do here. This could be as a centerpiece on your table. I've got some of our ornaments sitting here. You can take a ceramic basket or even a wicker basket, fill it with some plastic eggs that you can buy anywhere. Take some Easter grass like I've got here and just place it around. You could also take like a stuffed bunny or a little stuffed chick like this. Just any kind of little Easter figurines. Place some grass around. You can use what I've used here is just some shoe boxes, covered them up with fabric. I've got an acrylic thing here for level, but you could also use just a box and cover that up with some grass. Then just take some Easter candy and just drop some candy in here like so. And there you have a very nice table setting or mantle decoration for Easter. If you're interested in any of the items that we have now, right now we're having free shipping on any orders over $50. You can also get this cute little duck absolutely free with any order. To see the details are on our homepage, and we'd just like to invite you to visit for Easter, and there's still plenty of time to get your orders in. If you get it in by Monday, you'll still have it by Easter. Again, I'm Debbie Allison with Deb & Company, and we thank you for watching our video and hope to see you soon. Thank you.